Hey everyone, my name is Paula and today I'm going to teach you something wonderful, beautiful and essential to every English speaker. And it is the TH sounds. Okay, let's get started. In English, we don't have only one TH sound, but two, yes, two different sounds. We have the voiceless sound represented by that symbol and the voiced sound represented by that symbol, okay? So let's start with the voiceless sound. It is a blow of air. You have the sound, but you don't have the voice. It is like, can you listen? Yes, it's like that. Okay, so let's practice. Repeat after me. Think. Think. Truth. Truth. So how do you pronounce the first sound, the first TH sound? You put your tongue here and blow. Do it again. Now, put your hand here, yeah, on your throat and try again. Again. Do you feel any vibration? No, there's no vibration because there is sound but no voice. The vocal cords don't vibrate, okay? So, let's pronounce the words. Think. Once again, think. Through. Through. See? No vibration at all. Okay, now let's do a simple exercise. I'm going to present you 3 words. Okay, the first one is free, as a bird. Tree, Mother Nature. And 3, the number 3. Okay, so let's practice and repeat after me. Let's go. Free, free, free. Free. Tree. 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 Now, 3. 3. 3. Number 3. Very good. Now, let's talk about the second sound, the voiced sound. Here, you have the sound and you also have the voice. It's represented by that phonetic symbol. Okay, let's repeat after me. Father. Father. Them. Them. Listen to me. Your tongue may feel a little bit uncomfortable. It's totally normal. You're a bee. Okay, now let's practice the second sound. Let's do it. Do you feel the vibration? Yeah, there is the sound. There is the voice. That's why it's called voiced, right? Here we go. Father. Father. Them. Them. The vocal cords vibrate, producing a sound. Well, guys, to every rule, there is an exception. It's not different here. Take a look at those names. We have Beth, Beth, like Elizabeth, okay? Beth, it's that sound, the voiceless, okay? Like think and truth. Beth. But look at this name. Would you pronounce Thomas like this? Or Thomas like that? Of course not. You pronounce Thomas. Let's do it. Thomas. Thomas. And Beth. Beth. Beautiful. Now you may be asking, Paula, how do I know if a word has the first or the second TH sound? Simple. Use a dictionary. I'm using Cambridge Dictionary as an example here. Look at the word think. Can you see the phonetic symbol? Yes. Let's listen.
Think. Think.
Beautiful. Now let's take a look at father. Father. See the phonetic symbol? Yeah. V. V. Listen.
Father. Father.
Wonderful. It's great, isn't it? Well, that's it. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to Shall We? See you next time. Bye.